Welcome once again to Seagull International weekly live sessions where we discuss exciting recruitment opportunities and overseas placement. I am Jyotidas Thakkar, EGM at Seagull International, and I am thrilled to be joined by Mr. Lalit Moria, our General Manager. But before we dive into today's opportunity, let's take a moment to Seagull's incredible success stories. For over 40 years, Seagull has been a cornerstone in overseas recruitment industry, establishing itself as one of India's most reliable workforce provider. In less than 4 decades, we have built a reputation of excellence, providing top-tier talent to organizations around the world. As an ISO certified global human resource consultant, Seagull is recognized and approved by Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, ensuring compliances with highest standards and government regulation. So while our headquarters is in Mumbai, we also have our branches in Kochi, New Delhi, Baroda, Chennai, Vizag, Kolkata, and we also have our international presence, which is Sri Lanka, Dubai, Kuwait, Nepal, Qatar, Sweden, and Lithuania. Now, I would like to introduce to our newly job portal, which is seagalljobsforyou.com. Scan the QR code on your screen and connect on your dream job. We have also expanded our online presence to make it easier for you to connect with us directly. So you can now find us on Facebook. The process is simple. Simply scan the QR code on your screen and connect with us on Facebook. People who are interested to connect with us on Telegram. So we are available on Telegram and the process is same. Scan the QR code on your screen and connect with us on Telegram. This is our Instagram page. So people who are wish to connect with us on Instagram, the process is similar to the Facebook and Telegram. So these are the platform where we keep updating on overseas job opportunity, recruitment drive, and interview related information. So Seagull Staffing Group is a page where we keep updating about the domestic requirement we have for Pan India. So candidate who are interested to work in India, this is the right platform for you. Just simply scan the QR code on your screen and connect with us on Seagull Staffing Group. So let's dive into our first requirement, which is for Dubai. So this position is for their virtual interview. We are hiring for a Dubai's modern and professional auto repair workshop company for light drivers. So we are hiring for auto electrician cum technicians, and the second position is service advisor. So candidate who have worked experience, and for service advisor we are looking for mechanical background with UAE driving license. So interested candidate can submit their profile at resume1@seagulhr.com. If you are near to Mumbai, just walk into our head office with your updated profile. Next is for Oman for their EPC company for the oil and gas shutdown project. This is a free requirement. We're having this interview at Chennai on 2nd September. The Chennai address interview location is on your screen. We are hiring for permit holder and manhole watcher. So numbers are 50 for each position. So candidate who have GCC experience in oil and gas shutdown project, they can apply for this job. And we also looking for candidate who have good communication skill in English, who can read, write, and communicate properly. Oil and gas knowledge with industry hazard is required for this two position. Interested candidate can submit their profile at seagullch.oman@gmail.com. Next is for Abu Dhabi for their nuclear power plant maintenance project. This will be for a 2 month project. We are hiring this virtually. So interested candidate can attend their interview online. So we are hiring for MOV, AOV, supervisor, electrical technician, INC technician, and testing technician. The positions along with the salary bracket is on your screen. We are looking for candidate who have maintenance, testing, repair, of motor operating valves and air operating valves, which is stand for MOV and AOV. Okay, so candidate who have inspection, cleaning, resemblance, and testing valves experience, they can submit their profile at seagullkochi@gmail.com. So we will review your profile. If it is relevant to the JD we have received from client, we'll call you for the interview. And next is for Oman for their oil and gas pipeline flow line project. This will be again a virtual interview. We are hiring for piping integrated inspector, senior civil supervisor, precasting, and the third is power electrician. So salary bracket is on your screen. Candidate with knowledge of ELCB and PCB with high voltage electrical system. Candidate must have minimum 5 years of experience in shutdown or construction industry with minimum 10 to 15 years of experience in reputed oil and gas company, out of which 8 years we need in pipeline and flow line project. So candidate who are interested can submit their profile at resume1@seagulhr.com. And if you are near to Mumbai, just walk in with your updated profile. We will review your profile. If it is aligned with the client's requirement, we'll update you about the online interview date. Next is for Ultrad Babco Qatar project. This will be for a dolphin energy shutdown projects. Okay. We are having this interview free, and the interview is on 30th August, Seagull, Chennai office. The full address is on your screen, the interview venue address. So we are hiring for mechanical foreman, 6J Tiganak multi-weld, rigger, hole watcher, heavy transport vehicle driver, light transport vehicle driver, electrician, instrument fitter. So the numbers we are hiring is also on your screen. Candidate with 5 years of experience in GCC with 3 to 4 turnaround, which is shutdown and maintenance of oil and gas refineries, petrochemical or power plant. So preference will be given to candidate who have worked with Dolphin Energy Project or ex Dosan or Ultra. So this will be preference to given. Rest also can come for an interview. You can directly come at the time of interview. We having a team of from Seagull. They will assist you how we can go ahead. Next is for Saudi or UAE jobs. So they are hiring for their onshore offshore oil and gas project. We are hiring this positions for immediate mobilization. The project will be for 6 months shutdown. Client interview will be at Kochi on 30th August, and the address is on your screen, which is at Safe and Strong, which is in Kochi. We are hiring for scaffolders with A grade, B grade, and C grade. The salary is also on your screen. Candidate will be getting free food and accommodation, and also the amount you will pay for GAMCA will be refundable by the company. So interested candidate can reach out to Kochi branch, or else you can submit your profile at seagullkochi@gmail.com. Next is for a manufacturing company for a steel and fabrication industry. They are hiring for their Oman and Saudi Arabia. This will be a free requirement, and we are having this interview virtually. So we are hiring for heavy wall pressure vessel division, procurement energy for heavy wall vessel, proposal engineer heavy wall vessel, and fabrication shop engineer for heavy wall vessel. So candidate with 10 to 15 years of experience in heavy wall pressure will be required for this. So candidate can submit their profile at resume1@seagullhr.com. So next is Qatar job for their oil and gas offshore onshore project. This is again a free requirement, and the interview venue is at Rabalia Anuptek on 2nd September, and this will be a client interview. So we are hiring for tank fabricator or pipe fabricator. We are also hiring for some welders, which is welder 2G, 3G, 4GR. We are also looking for welder plates and pipe 6GR, multi welder, which is pipe and piping 6G arc, CS and SS. We are also hiring for rigger foreman, riggers, fire watcher, hole watcher, mason, electrician, mechanic diesels, mechanic and general foreman. So candidate with oil and gas foreman and above with GCC experience. Interested candidate can submit their profile, but it is advised since these are the positions you are doing at Rabale. So you come one day prior to the interview to our office. So you can submit your documents here. So you will get a first preference at the time of interview. And next is the company is same, the position is similar, but the interview will be on 5th September, and the address is on your screen, which is in Ichapuram. The detailed address is on your screen. Or else you can submit your profile at Seagull Vizag CVs at gmail.com. Interested candidate, just submit your documents to our Vizag office. So you will get a first preference at the time of interview. Next is for their UAE for oil and gas project. This will be a long-term project, free requirement, and we are hiring this requirement for immediate mobilization. Client interview will be on 3rd September, and the address is on your screen. Will be up with the textile training and trade centers. Candidate we are hiring for spray painters, sandblaster. So interested candidate just walk into the address and submit your profile, and we will update you the interview dates. Next is for Ultrad Babco for their liquefied natural gas project. Free requirement will be there, and we are hiring this for a long-term project. Client interview will be on 8th September at Baroda. The detailed address is on your screen. We are hiring for static equipment engineer, TS scheduler, fabrications engineer, cost engineer, administrator, material coordinator, safety officer. We are also hiring for mechanical supervisor, rigging supervisor, AI, API inspectors, PSVs inspector, logistics supervisor, NDT technician, data operator. These are the few positions which I have read. The rest position is on your screen. Candidate can apply through job.seagallinternational at gmail.com, or else you just walk into our branch in Baroda. Our team is there. They will review your profile and they will update you about their interview dates. The position is same, but the interview will be at Kolkata on 1st of September. So address is given, so you can go through the centers directly, or else we have a branch in Kolkata. Submit your documents so that you will get a preference at the time of interview. Similar position, similar company, but the interview will be on 30th August at Chennai. The address is on your screen. So you can just walk into our branch in Chennai so that you will get a preference at the time of interview. Next is for Abu Dhabi for their oil and gas project. This is again a free requirement. We're having this interview virtually. We are hiring for site or construction manager, QA/QC engineer, clerk, SAP, clerk general, job performance, civil and ENI, supervisor ENI. These are the positions along with the salary and a short description. Job description is on your screen. Candidate with GCC experience in oil and gas industry can apply for this job. ADNOC experienced candidate will get a preference for this opportunity. Interested candidate can submit their profile at seagullkochi at gmail.com. And if you are near to our Kochi branch, you just walk into our branch there. We have a dedicated team. They will review your profile. If it is relevant, we'll update you about the interview date. A similar position, this opportunity is open for Chennai also. So you just submit your profile for seagullch.uae at gmail.com. Similar positions, and this requirement is open for Mumbai candidate also. Since it is a virtual interview, you can apply from anywhere. So the positions, you can submit your profile at resume1 at seagullhr.com. So next is for Abu Dhabi. This is for their oil and gas short-term project. This is for their 4-month project. Client interview will be on 3rd September at Enoptech. We are hiring for instrument technician, electrician, instrument fitter, and ENI supervisor. Candidate with minimum 5 years of experience in shutdown or construction industry. They can submit their profile at resume1@seagulhr.com. And if you're near to Mumbai, just walk in with your updated profile. We have a team here, they will review your profile and you will get a first preference at the time of interview. Next is Ultrad Babco for their Dolphin Energy Shutdown project. We're having this interview on 8th September at Gujarat. Address is on your screen. So we are hiring for mechanical foreman, 6G TIG multi-welders, riggers, hole watchers, PTW coordinator, electrician, instrument fitter, candidate with 5 to 6 shutdown or turnaround maintenance project in oil and gas refinery petrochemical. Preference will be given to candidate who have worked in Dolphin Energy Project or ex-Tucson. So these are the position. You can walk into our branch in Baroda. They will review your profile and you will get a first preference at the time of interview. Similar positions, and this position is open for Kolkata. And we're having this interview on 1st September at Kolkata. The address is on your screen. Simply submit your profile at our Kolkata branch one day prior. So you will not have to wait for longer and you will get a first preference. Next is for the Oman oil and gas EPC project. This is again a free requirement. We are hiring this for a long-term project. We are hiring for senior project manager, candidate with the degree, bachelor degree in mechanical engineer with 25 years of experience in EPC project and project management with non-executions within oil and gas industry. The second position is project engineer with bachelor degree in mechanical engineer with 8 to 10 years of experience in coal project engineering in project management system with oil and gas. These are two positions. If you are interested, submit at seagalloman@gmail.com and we will review your profile. If it is relevant, we'll update you about the interview date. Next is for Saudi Arabia's Aramco oil and gas project. This is again a free requirement and we need Aramco approved CBT. So we are hiring for QC inspector coating or painting, static or rotating, welding and NDT, HVAC civil batch plans, telecommunication, or QC inspector plumbing. Candidate with the bachelor degree or diploma in engineering in the respective discipline with minimum 5 years of experience in industrial construction, oil and gas, petrochemical or pipeline installation project. Candidate currently working in Saudi with transferable ICAMA can also apply. So you can submit your profile at Seagull KSA 2025 @gmail.com. These are the similar positions which is open for, the positions are slightly similar company, but the positions are QA/QC manager, QC supervisor welding, QC supervisor mechanical, QC inspector PWHT, HVAC plumbing and welding. So the positions is we are hiring for bachelor degree in engineering in respective discipline with minimum 6 years of experience in APC industrial construction, oil and gas, or petrochemical. And it is same if you are working in Saudi with transferable ICAMA, you can also apply. So submit your profile at Seagull KSA 2025 @gmail.com. Next is for Saudi Arabia for the explorations project. We're having this interview soon. So the positions we are hiring for global geo scientist, principal geochemist, geophysicist, sea explorations information technology. We are also hiring for senior database geologist, candidate with MS degree or PhD preferable in geology from an accredible institutions with 10 to 15 years of experience in working with Barrett Gold or Rick South. So these are the criteria. Interested candidate can submit their profile at seagullksa2025@gmail.com. So next is for Kuwait for their Equate shutdown project. The client interview will be on the first week of September. The dates are not finalized, but we have started shortlisting process. We are hiring for supervisor reactor, supervisor hydrojetting, supervisor mechanical contingency team. We are also hiring for HSC engineer, HSC trainer, and training coordinator. We are also hiring for campus, camp assistants, and so on. The positions are huge. Along with position, we have mentioned a salary bracket. Interested candidate can walk into our head office with the updated profile, or else you can submit the profile on the email address mentioned below. So we will update you the interview date. Similar positions, which is also open for Kochi. So candidate who are near to Kochi, they can also walk into our Kochi branch, and our team will keep their profiles with you. And whenever there is an interview date announced, we'll update you. This similar position is open for Chennai. So candidate who are nearby to Chennai location, just submit your profile. Our team will review it. If it is relevant, we'll invite you at the time of interview. That's it from my side. We have additional requirement which Mr. Lalit will update you.
Thank you, Ms. Jyoti. Good afternoon, namaste, friends. Welcome to our this live session. Okay, we will go one by one the requirements which I have. Friend, this is for Dubai. Basically, this is Mabani Steel Company, and we have interview here in Bombay on 8 September. और इसमें हमें स्ट्रक्चरल फैब्रिकेटर्स 3G मिग वेल्डर्स FCW वेल्डर्स CNC मशीन ऑपरेटर्स और एयरलेस स्प्रे पेंटर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट्स है। मबानी कंपनी काफ़ी अच्छी काफ़ी फेमस कंपनी है। हमने काफ़ी मैन पावर इस कंपनी में सप्लाई किए हैं। यह कंपनी आपको अच्छी सैलरी के साथ साथ फ्री फूड अकोमोडेशन ट्रांसपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करती है। इसके जो वीज़ा है वो एम्प्लॉयमेंट वीज़ा है। मैक्सिमम 10 to 15 डेज में इसकी डिप्लॉयमेंट हो जाती है। अगर किसी को भी इसमें इंटरेस्ट है वो डायरेक्टली हमारे अनूप टेक में आ सकते हैं, इसका इंटरव्यू अटेंड कर सकते हैं। सैम मवानी कंपनी के इंटरव्यू 6 तारीख को हमने कोलकाता में रखा हुआ है। कोलकाता में Q1 टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूट में इसके इंटरव्यू होंगे। रिक्वायरमेंट सारी सेम है। स्ट्रक्चर फैब्रिकेटर्स एंड 3G मिग वेल्डर्स बल्क नंबर में हमें चाहिए। इसके अलावा CNC मशीन ऑपरेटर्स एंड स्प्रे पेंटर असिस्टेंट फैब्रिकेटर्स की भी रिक्वायरमेंट है। अगर किसी भी को भी इंटरेस्टेड है वो कोलकाता रीजन में है वो आ सकते हैं, इसका इंटरव्यू अटेंड कर सकते हैं। कंपनी आपको सैलरी के साथ साथ फ्री फूड अकोमोडेशन ट्रांसपोर्ट सारे प्रोवाइड करेंगे और मोबिलाइजेशन पीरियड इसके 10 से 15 दिन में होंगे। कंपनी आपको एम्प्लॉयमेंट वीजा में लेके जाएंगी। 3 तारीख को इसके इंटरव्यू हम कुशीनगर में कर रहे हैं जेवी टेक इंस्टीट्यूट में। अगर कोई कैंडिडेट्स गोरखपुर बिहार पटना रीजन में अवेलेबल है वो गोरखपुर में आ सकता है कुशीनगर में और इसके इंटरव्यू अटेंड कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद फ्रेंड्स वी हैव अनदर रिक्वायरमेंट। दिस इज फॉर द क्यूकॉन कंपनी फॉर देयर NGL शटडाउन। वी हैव क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू ऑन 4th September एट बड़ौदा and we are looking for area coordinator, engineers, supervisors, superintendent, QC guys, safety guys, all the requirements we have. All the candidates should have minimum 5 to 8 shutdown experience. GCC shutdown is more preferable. Plus this is the 2 to 3 months shutdown, 100% free recruitment. We have client interview on 4th September at Gujarat, Vadodara. 2nd September here in Bombay, Anup Tech. Then 7th September we have interview at Chennai and 12th September we have interview at Kochi. आप एक बार फिर से मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, आप इसको नोट डाउन कर लीजिए। We have interview on 2nd September in Bombay, Anup Tech 4 to 1. 4th September at Baroda, Anup Tech. 7th September we have this interview at Chennai and 12th September we have this interview at Kochi. Venue and other details you will get in our another artwork. Then, friends, we have this requirement for Russia, and we have required CO2 MIG welders, 3G, 2G, and 4G positions. We need approximately 100 welders. और इसके जो इंटरव्यू है अनुप टेक में 8 सितंबर से लेके 13 सितंबर के बीच में होंगे। हर दिन हम 10 से 12 वेल्डर को टेस्ट करेंगे और उसका इंटरव्यू करेंगे। इस हिसाब से कंटिन्यूसली 7 to 8 डेज इंटरव्यूज चलेंगे। और मिग वेल्डिंग की इसमें 3 पीस पे आपको इसके टेस्ट मारना है। टेस्ट का कोई पैसा नहीं है। अगर किसी को भी इंटरेस्टेड है रशिया में, वो डायरेक्टली आ सकते हैं अनुप टेक में और इसके इंटरव्यू अटेंड कर सकते हैं। Then, friends, we have this interview for Ahelia Switchgear. Client interview on 1st September at Anup Tech. We are looking for electrical technician and industrial electricians. Approximately 200 to 300 requirements we have. All the candidates should have cable tray, termination, blending experience. Basically, we want all the candidates for the construction background, and company offer you good salary plus free food, accommodation, transport, everything given by the company. And it's for the Kuwait. Once you selected, immediately we'll initiate your visa. You have to make PCC, then we will process, we will do your visa stamping, and then with mobilization part we can do it. So if anyone interested, please visit on 1st September at Anup Tech for the interview. Friends, then we have another requirement. This is for one of the leading company in Kuwait, and for their designing department, they are looking for all the design categories candidates like civil design engineers, electrical design engineers, piping design engineers, senior process design engineer, instrument design engineer, planning engineer, SP3D modeler, draftman, mechanical, civil, electrical, and instrument. All these categories are related to the designing. If any candidates who have Indian experience or Gulf experience, both we are considering in this requirement. And the client interview will be on 6th September at Chennai Transcend Institute. If anyone interested, please forward their resume so that our team will coordinate with you and they will line up you for the interview. This is again a Helia requirement. We have client interview on 3rd September at Chennai. If anyone interested to attend this interview at South region, they may go to our Chennai office and attend this interview. This is same QCon requirement for NGL shutdown. As stated earlier, we have client interview on 7th September at Chennai in our office. And if anyone interested, please visit our Chennai office or forward your resume on given email ID so that our coordinators and our recruiter will contact you and they line up you for the interview. Then, friends, we have one more requirement for Russia, one of the leading shipyard maintenance company, and for their shipyard project, they are looking for block assembly supervisors and those having the shipbuilding experience, marker, fitter, fabricator, grinder, gas cutter, electrician, and storekeeper. And very soon we have this interview at Cochin. If anyone interested, please visit our Cochin office, submit your profile. Once interview date confirmed, our team will notify you. Accordingly, you have to come for the interview. This we already discussed. We have this QCon interview on 2nd September in Anup Tech, Bombay. This is for NGL QCon shutdown. It's a 100% free recruitment. If anyone interested, please directly come on 2nd at Anup Tech. Then, friends, we have one of the leading company in Kuwait, those into manufacturing of precast molding and all. And we have requirement for supervisor, storage yard, foreman fabrication, preparation foreman, storage tank yard foreman, casting foreman, steel fixer foreman, steel fixers, and steel mold fabricators, fitters, laborers, mechanical and technicians. This all requirement we have. If anyone interested, those having the precast experience, please forward your resume. We will shortlist your profile and we'll proceed next round of virtual interview. Friends, we have this requirement for Descon Abu Dhabi, and we have client interview on 1st September at Maria Industrial Training Center. And this is for the Hubsan project, and we are looking for pipe fitter, fabricators, general fitters, welders, fire watcher, hole watchers, riggers, scaffolders. Then in ENI, we are looking for electrical instrument fitter, ENI, carpenter, masons. All this requirement we have for this Hubsan shutdown, and is a free recruitment. We have interview on 1st September at Maria Industrial Training Center. Company give you very good salary plus free food, accommodation, and transport is will be there. If anyone interested, please visit our coaching office and coordinate with our coaching team. They will help you and assist you for this interview. The similar interview we have for the that management category, and we are looking for shutdown managers, in area in charge, area engineers, then supervisor into planning, supervisor piping mechanical, foreman piping mechanical. Then we have requirement for permit receiver, job performers, QA/QC guys, safety guys. All this requirement we have for their management categories. Same day we have interview on 1st September. If anyone interested, please visit our coaching office and attend this interview. संदीप कुमार राव, ये द क्रेन ऑपरेटर। संदीप, आपके पास कौन सा लाइसेंस है? अगर आपके सऊदी, कुवैत, इराक की कोई भी लाइसेंस है, आप उसको हमको ईमेल करिए। हमारे पास तीनों कंट्री के रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं एज ए क्रेन ऑपरेटर। Anwar Sadab, you are the forklift operator. Anwar, we have requirement, but we want UAE valid license. If we have, please visit our Bombay office. We will do the needful. नूर आलम, प्लम्बिंग सुपरवाइजर्स की कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट्स आई हुई हैं। आप आपका सीवी हमें ईमेल करिए, जिससे उसको हम आगे फॉरवर्ड कर सकें। Sadiq, we have electrical technician interview on 1st September for Ahelia Switchgear. Please come for the interview on 1st September. Mohammad Bilal, you are Qatar oil, gas and drilling rig job. Mr. Bilal, let forward your resume. We will go through your profile and we will call you for the interview as per your CV requirement. Okay, viewers, we'll see you next week. Till then, take care. Goodbye.
A big thank you to Mr. Lalit for taking out time and joining us today and helping us conducting this session a success. For those who would like to visit us in person, our Mumbai headquarter address is now on your screen, along with the contact details and email address. Our branches details are now on your screen, which is Baroda and Delhi. Their address, email address, contact detail is now on your screen. Vizag and Kolkata, Kochi and Chennai. For those who would like to connect with us, the QR code on your screen, the positions you are looking for, just simply scan the QR code and apply for that job. Thank you all viewers for joining us today and helping this session a success. Now you can also find the branches and contact details on our website. Just visit the apply button located at the top right corner where you can upload your CV based on our requirement. At Seagull, we take a pride in having 80 to 90% of candidates are approach us directly without any middle person. Remember, we hold these live sessions every Friday at 3 p.m. We also conduct as sessions in regional language. So stay tuned for more update. Thank you once again and see you all next week.